In this video, we will discuss flushing handpieces using a DS5 touchscreen. Begin by opening the Settings menu. Select Flush. Withdraw the handpieces you would like to flush. The dots at the bottom of the screen will turn blue to show active handpieces. To manually flush the handpieces, press and hold the flush icon in the middle of the screen. A timer will automatically appear to show flush duration. To use a flush timer, select the Time tab. Flush times can be adjusted by pressing and holding the blue banner. Scroll to the desired timer. Use the plus and minus buttons to adjust the time. Tap to change between minutes and seconds. Use the back arrow to save changes and return to the flush screen. Select your desired timer. Then press Start to begin flushing. When the timer reaches 0, a chime will play and the handpiece will stop flushing. When you are done flushing the handpieces, use the Home button to return to the main screen. If you have additional questions, please call customer service at 1-800-547-1883. A helpful A-dec associate is just an email or phone call away. That's one thing you can always count on.